everyone! Welcome back to Sai Recipes. Today, I'm excited to share some quick dinner solutions that will have you in and out of the kitchen in no time. Let's get started. In today's fast-paced world, finding time to prepare a nutritious dinner can be a challenge. Whether you're juggling work, family, or personal commitments, quick dinner solutions are essential. Here are some ideas and tips to whip up delicious meals in no time. 1. One-pan wonders. One-pan meals are a lifesaver, minimizing cleanup while maximizing flavor. Here are a couple of options. Sheet pan chicken and veggies. Toss chicken thighs, bell peppers, zucchini, and onions with olive oil, garlic, and your favorite herbs. Roast at 400 degrees, 200 degrees for about 25 to 30 minutes. Serve with a side of quinoa or brown rice. Stir-fried rice. Use leftover rice and toss it in a hot pan with any vegetables you have on hand. Add scrambled eggs and a splash of soy sauce for flavor. Top with green onions and sesame seeds. 2. Quick pasta dishes. Pasta is a go-to for quick dinners, and it cooks in just a few minutes. Pasta primavera. Boil pasta and, during the last few minutes, add fresh or frozen vegetables like broccoli, bell peppers, and peas. Drain and toss with olive oil, garlic, and Parmesan cheese. Garlic shrimp pasta. Sauté shrimp in garlic and olive oil, then add cooked spaghetti. Finish with lemon juice and parsley for a fresh taste. 3. Tasty tacos. Tacos can be incredibly quick to prepare and are customizable for everyone's tastes. Bean and cheese tacos. Heat canned black beans and mash them slightly. Spoon onto corn tortillas, sprinkle with cheese, and top with avocado, salsa, or shredded lettuce. Quick chicken tacos. Use pre-cooked rotisserie chicken. Shred it and warm it up with taco seasoning. Serve with tortillas, diced tomatoes, and cheese. 4. Soups and stews. Soups can be made quickly and are perfect for colder nights. 30-minute vegetable soup. Sauté onions, carrots, and celery, then add broth, diced tomatoes, and any vegetables you have. Season with herbs and simmer for about 20 minutes. Chili in a hurry. Brown ground beef or turkey, add canned beans, tomatoes, and chili seasoning. Simmer for 15 to 20 minutes and serve with cornbread. 5. Meal prep for success. To make weeknight dinners even quicker, consider meal prepping. Batch cooking. B. Prepare grains, proteins, and chopped vegetables ahead of time. Store them in the fridge for easy assembly during the week. Freezer-friendly meals. Cook and freeze meals in portions. Dishes like casseroles, soups, and stews freeze well and can be easily reheated. 6. Utilize kitchen gadgets. Take advantage of kitchen tools that can speed up cooking. Instant Pot. Cook rice, beans, or stews in a fraction of the time. Air fryer. Achieve crispy textures quickly with less oil. Perfect for veggies, chicken, or fish. With these quick dinner solutions, you can enjoy homemade meals without spending hours in the kitchen. Embrace simple ingredients and don't hesitate to get creative with what you have on hand. Happy cooking! Thanks for tuning in to today's video. If you have a favorite dinner hack or tip, be sure to share it in the comments below.